remarkable morning. The session is powered by Mrs. Lata Prasad. Okay, as we were discussing the various tenses in active and passive voice, the last session it has come for future perfect. While future perfect making active to passive voice, we have to go for the structure will or shall plus how plus been plus V3 form. Okay? Everyone will have blamed us. We shall, along with first person singular and plural, most of the time we use shall. We shall have been blamed by everyone. By everyone. The car will have knocked down the child. The child will have been knocked down by the car. I shall have bought a computer. A computer will have been bought by me. Sweetie will have practiced English tenses. English tenses will have been practiced by Sweetie. We will have brought a new sari. A new sari will have been brought by us. Brought by us. They will have clicked selfies. Selfies will have been clicked by them. He will have played cricket. Cricket will have been played by him. Played by him. So here all what we have noticed, will plus have plus been plus V3 form. So while making future perfect, you have to remember in your mind will or shall plus have plus been plus V3 form. See, will have been not. Will plus have plus been plus with V3 form. Will have been bought. Will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Then will have been practiced. Will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Here will have been brought. Same like that, will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Here also will have been clicked. Will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Here also will have been played. Will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Everywhere we have used the same structure, will plus have plus been plus V3 form. Okay, are you all following me? So here some sentences are given. Interchange of active and passive voice. So far we were we were writing correctly the subject and object interchange. Here, the interchange of active and passive voice in other way. So directly we won't go for object or another object. All his friends laughed at him. He was laughed at by all his friends. They made him king. He was made king. So certain place we are not expressing the agent or by as a preposition. One should keep one's promises. Promises should be kept. Then we are not expressing the agent there. Give the order. Let the order be given. We are not expressing the agent or by as a preposition. Someone has picked my pocket. My pocket has been picked. By someone we are not using. So that all interchange of active and passive voice. The Romans expected to conquer Cambridge. See, directly if we take object in the place of subject and subject in the place of object, it will be looking very odd. It was expected by the Romans that they would conquer Cambridge. So here you could see some difference than other previous sentences we have done in the class. Circumstances will oblige me. I shall be obliged. I shall be obliged to go. Circumstances will oblige me to go. So if we take subject in the place of subject and in the place of object, if we go for difference of meaning will get. So certain time we have to go for interconnection of active and passive voice. I shall be obliged to go. So this is one type of active passive voice. So we are not doing normally with agent. In other way we are going, but we are not getting change in the sentence. Okay? Okay? Let us start. Infinitives and gerunds. Infinitives are two. Gerunds are inform. Okay? These have their passive voice followed by to be and being. What will follow? What will follow? Infinitives and gerunds. To be form or gerunds, ing form. Okay? We have to repair the fence. The fence has to be repaired. No agents. I need my watch to clean. The watch need to be cleaned without agent. The doctor operated her with a knife. She was operated with a knife. For that, by we are using for living things and with we are using for lifeless things. She is receiving certificates. Certificates are being received by her. That already continuous form we already have learned. So, infinitive some gerunds we are using in this way. So, this is the end of our passive and active class. I hope you people must have learned a lot of things from passive and active voice, and I hope you might have gone for much more own examples and practicing session also. Okay? Hence, like, share and subscribe the video by clicking the bell icon which is given below, and learn much in active and passive voice which will be always used in your future life. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.